AIPMA, All India Plastics Manufacturers Association, in the service of the plastic industry since 1945, knows that plastics, an yielding, versatile material with immense prospects, has enabled the plastic industry to play an important role in the resurgent Indian economy. Plastics, with multiple usage, is ubiquitous, has become an inevitable need for every walk of life. India, with over 1 billion population and land territory spread over 3 million square kilometers, is the most promising business destination in Asia. The Indian plastic industry has taken a quantum leap in the last few decades, and the per capita consumption of plastic in the country has increased stupendously. Indeed, plastics has gained notable importance in every sphere of life. It has not only substituted the conventional material, but also has come to the rescue of scarce natural resources. Constant developments in polymer technology, processing machineries, know-how and cost-effective production is fast replacing conventional materials in every segment with adaptable plastic. This becomes evident from the fact that India ranks 8th in the world with per capita consumption of 4.6 kilograms, which is likely to increase to 7.9 kilograms by 2008. It clearly indicates that the business perspective are unmatchable for the facts that India is a land of opportunities now. India is reckoned the second most entrepreneurial nation in the world, where around 18% of the workforce is engaged in entrepreneurial activities. Today, India is the 4th largest economy in the world and has witnessed tremendous economic growth over the last 2 decades. The polymer demand in India is 4.6 million tons and is likely to touch 12 million tons by 2010-2011. With 20 to 25% compounded growth rate, India is expected to be the 3rd largest consumer of plastics after US and China by 2010. India offers exceptional business opportunities owing to the facts that an easy availability of raw materials, manpower at competitive costs, and scales of operation. Special economic zones have been promoted at strategic locations in the country. Abundance of competent managerial and technical workforce. Ability to assimilate and adapt new technology. Strong recycling industry. And Asia region is the major consumption center. Due to these advantages, the plastics export performance of India has witnessed a phenomenal high. This is evident from the facts that the export target of $1,500 million in the year 2005-2006 was achieved to the tune of $2,633 million. Flying on the success wings, the target for 2006-2007 is set to be $3,450 million. Even the domestic plastic product market is well developed and is complementary for producers of export market. Similarly, the investment opportunities in the various sectors of plastic industry, such as multi-layer films, PP HD woven sacks, BOPP films, etc., was 11,478 million rupees in the year 2005-2006, whereas it is likely to be 19,768 million rupees in the year 2008-2009 and 25,290 million rupees in the year 2010-2011. AIPMA, an association devoted to the cause of the plastic industry, headed by honorary business leaders, has been offering potent opportunities to negotiate with national clients and showcase products and services in the form of novel exhibitions. Plastivision India. The last exhibition, held in 2004, attracted more than 50,000 visitors and about 525 exhibitors, exhibiting their products and services over an area of 19,000 square meters. Thus, it provided an excellent exposure to the exhibitors, continuing its pioneering efforts and expanding its initiatives internationally. AIPMA has started the process towards putting up Plastivision India 2007 to bring together the national and international plastic industry. Truly global opportunities, glorious future. This will act as a well-thought-out event in the commercial capital, Mumbai. 40,000 square meters of fully air-conditioned halls, strategically located in the verdant surroundings of NSE grounds, off Western Express Highway, easily accessible by air, road and rail too. Plastivision India 2007, held in the ideal month of December, amidst clement weather. The preferred rendezvous, meeting place of national and international companies to enhance brand visibility, gain and disseminate information, forge strategic alliances, revealed by the growing number of business visitors. Plastivision India, a once in 3 years opportunity you should not ignore. Plastivision India, your gateway to national and international market.